Today I'm going to show you how to manage the Prachi Enterprise app. I am using an Android device, but the same process goes along for Apple devices as well. So I'm first going to go to the App Store, and I'm going to go to the search bar, and I'm going to click on or type in Prachi Enterprise, and I'm going to click on the app. The app is already downloaded on this device, so I'm just going to click open, and it will bring me to the login page where I will type in the username and password that the Prachi Enterprise has provided for me. So now that I am logged in, I wanted to tell you guys about the app. So up on the top left hand corner where the three bars are is where you would see all of the category areas for the different types of pages on this app. The home page is what I'm going to show you first, and then we will go through everything else. This area also has your profile name and the logout button. So first, clicking on the home page, we will talk about new arrivals. So when clicking on new arrivals, you see the newest of the 30 items. So the newest 30 items have been uploaded on this that are a part of Prachi Enterprise. And then we go to price change. Price change has all of the price changes that have been brought onto Prachi Enterprise. It is divided into the item and its description, the new price of the item, and when the price changed. So after that, one of the important things I want to mention is the abbreviations tab, where it shows you all the abbreviations for the different types of items on the Prachi Enterprise app. So you see here, one example is Swisher Sweet. So instead of typing in Swisher Sweet on the search bar for products, you would type in S/W, and that will bring you to Swisher Sweets. I just wanted to make something clear that whenever you are looking up these products, if you type in something like Swisher Sweet, it will not come up on the space, or the item will not be found. So you will likely have to check this abbreviation to make sure that it is an abbreviation error that you made and that it's not just because we do not hide the item. So the next thing that I wanted to show is the latest orders. Right here on the bottom, it shows you the latest orders that you have made, and it shows you all the prices of what you've purchased or ordered. And then if you click on view all, then you can see all of the orders you've made within the Prachi Enterprise. So going back, the next thing I wanted to talk about is the search. So when talking about search, I wanted to mention a few different things. You can look up the item. So let's go back to saying Swisher Sweet. You can look up Swisher Sweet, which is S/W, and you can look up a specific item flavor if you want to, such as peach, or you can go back, and if you're looking at a certain price, you can click or write down the price, and it will bring up all of the products within that category area. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is the scan. You can scan products to get the same or get the product that you're looking for. So you can either scan the carton that you're looking for. So let's say you're looking at a carton here. You're looking at the carton box of cigarettes. You can scan that, or you can scan the individual pack of cigarettes, and it will also bring up the same thing. Talking about it, the way you add quantity for items are you click the plus sign, and if you want to decrease the quantity for items, you click the minus sign. But let's say that you have a large quantity that you need for this particular item. You can click on the quantity number, and it will bring you to this little box area, and you can click, say, if you want 50 of these of this item, then you just click add to cart and it's added to your cart. So you can also do this with cartons of cigarettes. You can do this with the boxes. You can do this with cigarette boxes or cigar boxes, and you can do it with the individual packs, or you could do it with candy boxes or candy bars. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about is categories. And I'm just going to give a quick overview of this because we are going to do an in-depth video about this later on. But I just wanted to show you some of the features that we have when it comes to categories. Within categories, it's very detailed. We have categories and then we have subcategories for everything. So let's say you click on drinks. It'll show you all the different drinks if you're just browsing or looking through stuff. And you can actually click on the item and it'll give you more information about it. So this Bang energy drink, it gives you a description and a detailed description of everything. It will tell you the pack and size of how we sell it. So we sell these Bangs by cases. The cost of the whole case is $17.89 and the price per Bang is $1.49. So that is interesting information to know. The other thing I wanted to show you is my orders. So when going to my orders, this will show you all of the orders. It's the same thing as when you go to home or when you're on the home page and you click view all, it shows you the same thing. It takes you to my orders. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys is Contact Us. And Contact Us shows all of the Prachi Enterprise information, including the name, the address, and there are 2 icons. One of them is for call and one of them is for email. These are ways you can contact us. So the next thing I wanted to show you is when you are ready to check out. When you're ready to check out, you just click on this cart icon and it will take you to your cart, and then all you have to do is click next. We have an additional information area where you can type whatever you need to, any specific notes or anything that you want to tell them. You can write it down there and they will receive the message and the additional information and they will work with it accordingly. And then after that, all you have to do is place order. And then it says success, your order has been successfully placed. So then after that, all you have to do is go back. You go to the home page and you see on the home page, it says sale and it has 3 dots right next to it. Those 3 dots represent that your order is pending and also that it has been placed. And you see lower, there's different orders with check marks on them. Those check marks represent that your order is ready. So talking about some things that you may want to know when you are when let's say you place an order and you forget to add something. At that point, I would tell you that you should just make a completely different order and add it to that cart and just submit another order, and those orders will arrive at the same time together if they are within the same delivery date. So another thing that I wanted to make sure to tell you guys is that when you are on the search bar and you are typing in stuff, to try and be a little bit specific, especially when it comes to Swisher Sweets or games or any of the tobacco or any products in general, just because it'll allow you to gain access of the prices that you are looking for. And the same thing works for candy bars and everything along those lines. But I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, please contact us at Prachi Enterprise and we will be happy to answer them for you. Other than that, thank you.